Today I have one Samsung phone. So display change. Actually, the display it's broken. The touch screen is broken. Okay, this part, and some side is not working. See, here is not working any function, and the top side is working, and bottom side is not working. So we will change the display. We have the new display. I'll show you how to change very simple method. Okay, this is the new display. Before we fix the display, we have to check the display touch function, everything is working or not. Okay, this is the new display. Okay, fine. So we'll just remove the old display. Before remove the old display, we'll see we can just switch off the phone or not, because some side is touch is not working. Okay, fine, we switch off the phone, and if you have the blade, that's better. Okay, just take one blade, one ordinary blade, and then just try to open like this. It's very easy. And if you have tinner or some petrol, whatever, like this, just put this side on the cap and do like this. Be careful, because the side on this side here, you can see on the top side the frame is coming. I mean the strip, everything is coming. So on the bottom side also is there one strip for the back button and the menu button. So be careful, don't put inside too much the blade, only the little bit, then we can just remove like this. Okay. See, just open the display. It's very easy. The display is already changed before the customer. Again, it's gone. So that's why we are trying to again change the display. Okay. So I'm talking about the bottom side, the strip. See, you see, this is the bottom side strip. So be careful. Okay. Before fix the display, we have to clean this old side. Okay, because the old gum, everything we have to clean it. Okay. After clean the gum, we just fix the new display. Okay, so we just test the display first. Just power on. This one Galaxy J7 Pro. Okay, all right. Okay, all right, the phone is on, and here you can see the functions all is working. Okay, we have one code for Samsung touch checking and the display sensor, everything. We have one code, maybe you know the code. Star hash 0 star hash. Okay, and In this case, back button is not working. The reason because the one sticker is there on the bottom side. Okay, that's why the back button is not working. When you remove the sticker, it will work. Okay, fine. So we just go the phone. Okay, all right. Okay, right now we just type the code star hash 0 star hash. Okay. This is the menu, and here we can see the touch. This one for touch testing. Okay, if your touch is fine, you will see the all side is green. Okay, if some section is not working, it won't get pass. Means see everywhere is working. Okay, this is the green. Just cross like this. So that means the touch screen is working. Okay, fine. And everything is the red green. That's one for the display. We just okay, and vibration receiver. And second one, we need to check the sensor. Sensor is very important. Okay, the sensors come this side. So when it goes, it will see green and vibration also is there. See, here's coming the sensor. So when you fix the display, you have to careful with Samsung series. Just put the sensor sections very clearly. Okay, and now everything is fine. So just fix the display. Okay, you have to put the gum. Just power off the phone. All right. Okay. Now it's off. Just disconnect that display. Okay. We will do two methods for display gumming. One is we'll just put the display gum on this panel, and second things we will do other step. We'll do the display gum on the display. Okay. So better I will recommend for put the gum on the display. It's better. So before put the gum, we have to remove the sticker, everything. Okay. There's already gum is there, but better you have to do your own gum. That's good. That's good. Just remove everything. Okay, fine. Oh, can you see it? Right. Okay. Should like that. Okay, all right. I just check also. This display is the OLED. It's good quality one. Okay. This section is on the top. Be careful. Okay. Okay, all right. And now all section we put the gum. Okay. Just close this. Just connect the display. Okay. Okay, now we just scan the display and we don't have the cap, so just leave it there. and fix the display like this. Okay, and you can see all sides gum is come out. Okay, we have to wipe that. You have to clean that one. Just use your cleaner, and before dry the gum you have to clean right now. That's better. Okay, every side you have to clean like this, and see the gum. Yes. Okay, all right, okay, and here is coming the display section. Okay, we just take out the sticker. It's okay, fine. Use clean everywhere. Before dry the gum better you have to clean right now. So if you dry the gum, it's very difficult to clean. And everything's fine. Okay, you just turn on. It's fine. Okay, and we have to keep the display we have to put rubber. Okay, the rubber band we will put like this. Okay, like this. On the top and the middle. Okay, all right, see, it's fine. Now we will test the sensor. Okay, because the sensor it must be working properly. Okay, all right, and sensor, now the sensor is fine. When high it's gray. See, so that means sensor is fine, and the back button also it's fine. Got it? Okay, so we have to keep the rubber like this and at least 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours it's better. We just put 2 rubber band on the cross. Okay, okay, that's good. Now it's fine. So just keep it like this, the rubber band at least 2 hours, it's better. So I hope guys you got some knowledge about this display changing. So thank you for watching guys.